Guys, welcome back. Thank you for the love you guys showed me on my birthday. I promised to do a vlog about what happened during the day, and yes, I'm gonna do, and that's what I'm doing now. But before then, I want to show the unboxing of the present I got for myself to enable me get a better performance with my YouTube channel. So you guys should just watch. So I got myself a little present with my small chicken change. So I'm unboxing it. Unboxing. Got myself a tripod. So that is it. So we'll be using for our new video. I said I got myself a tripod to enable me get a better static position to enable my shooting of videos. So apart from that, so yes, my birthday. How did you go about? Yeah, it was amazing. It all started with prayers for my parents, family members, well wishers, and friends who called. And I'm so happy for you guys who called, who messaged me, who gave me birthday wishes, and those that sent me gift items. I'm so happy. You guys made it a memorable one for me. It's not easy. So I will start off with some messages I got, just few messages I'll just play through. So you guys will see some of the messages I got during my birthday. So after that, I'll be showing what happened. My family gathering. We just had the family get together on the first day. That's my birthday. Just my family members and some little friends. Then we'll now move to the second day where my guys came to the house to play games, like to celebrate with me and all that. So that is most thing that happened on my birthday, and I'm birthday. Sham, go. Nobody. Wait, that's true. You're not playing. Now you encourage me. I said that. How do you get everybody? Give never.
Ṣé gbọ́n bọ̀ lọ́nà? Ṣètò wọn fún bọ̀ lọ́nà. Wọ́n ní kó kọ́ mẹ́rin náà. Mo wá lọ fara mú náà. Lóye bàbá náà. Àmàlà bí mo lórí. Ṣé wọ́n sọ pé oníwèrè? Ẹgbẹ́ máa lọ́kọ̀ wèrè.